Imagine holding a simple-looking glass plate, but the moment you shine light on it, bam, a 3D image appears as if it's floating in space. Sounds like magic, right? In part 1, we uncovered the science behind holography, how these incredible images are recorded and what the future holds for them. But knowing how they're made is just one side of the story. Today, we answer the big question: how do you actually see a hologram? Let's find out.
First, today we are going to perform hologram experiments. In this, we have to put the concave lens. They are very near to the laser light. We have to set the middle of the lens and about 25 centimeter far from this laser light. We have to put this convex lens here. And now we have to set the middle point. The laser should cross from the center of the lens. Okay. And starting from the laser light, we have to measure 4 meters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go. This is about the 4-meter distance. Now this is photographic film. In this, a hologram image is already recording. And we have to set this here from the 4-meter distance of the laser light. And now we have to check the center position of the laser. So this is exactly in the middle of the center. Now what we have to do is just rotate this up to 45 degree. This is 0 degree and it is almost 45 degree. Now viewing from this here, you will see a chessboard with 4 chess pieces. Apparently there is no object but a recorded image of 4 chess pieces.